How to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story. Well, as you guys probably know, Spotify Wrapped 2023 has just dropped, like literally a couple of hours ago, I think. And in order to actually share this to your Instagram story, you obviously need to already see Spotify Wrapped, because some people simply cannot see it yet. And that might be because your app is not up to date. So if you go to the App Store or the Play Store and you search for Spotify, you should see an update button or an open button. If it says open, it is up to date. If it says update, you obviously have to update it. So please make sure to do that first. If you still cannot see it, restart your phone. I had this problem and I simply restarted my phone and I could see the Spotify Wrapped straight away. Now, to actually share your Spotify Wrapped to your story, it's pretty cool. You can either click on the top right to see your Wrapped over here, or you could simply click on here your top songs or your stories actually. So this will start playing and you can see all of these. Now, a lot of these, as you can see, will say share this story at the bottom. So basically I think you can share almost any story on here, but the coolest one is obviously the one at the end where you can see your top artists and top songs. And once you want to share one, you can simply click on share over here and this will pop up. Sometimes it keeps on loading, but you just have to wait or try a couple of times. And then here you can see Instagram stories and messages, and you simply want to click on stories. This will bring you over to Instagram and it says turn part of any photo. Oh, this is just a random feature, but basically this is how it works. So now I can simply click on this and there you go. We are now sharing it on our story, as you can see. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram story.